Magandang hapon. Narito na ang 2 p.m. Lotto result. Araw ng Lunes, September 9, 2024. Sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw. 3 and 30 in exact order. Sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw. 1, 8 and 5 in exact order. Antabayanan natin din ang 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto draw mamayang alas 5. Abangan natin mamayang gabi ang Mega Lotto 645 na may estimated jackpot price of 31 million. At ang Grand Lotto 655 na may estimated jackpot of 29.7 million. Lotto draw schedule mamayang gabi ay Easy 2 Lotto, Suertes Lotto, 4D Lotto, Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655. Maraming salamat po. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell.